start your Power Center Designer and then click on OK, and then click on that infra underscore rep on the left side, and then click on connect. After that, if wait for some time, if it gives you some error, which in the first attempt it will definitely, then what you have to do is go to your virtual machine and go in SQL Plus. Now there type sys as sysdba, and you have to wait, like type sys as sysdba, enter, the password. After you entered the password, you have to enter these commands that are there on the window, and once these you come enter this command, close the tab, then your informatica issue will be resolved, and then follow the steps. That first click on that R prompt, click on it, and then click on OK, and then folder source, type your name or whatever name you want to it to be, and then OK, and that's it, your folder is created. Once your folder is created, what you have to do is, like, you have to disconnect your server, and then you have to connect again in order to get your see your folder that you have just created. So do that.
Very good. Now, now you see you are able to work area, in which on the top, if you see, there are 5 buttons enabled above your source analyzer. Yeah, just read out what are they all. Put your mouse on that. It will be giving you a small note. So source analyzer. What is the second one? Second one is target designer. Third one. The So now you are able to understand what is source analyzer, what is target designer, what is mapping designer, what is maplet designer. Am I right? So for example, if I ask you to go to source analyzer, you will go there. Click. If you go to target designer, click on target designer. This is a target designer. At present, all of them are empty. There is no content anywhere. On the top, if you see, the target menu is there. Are you seeing that? Below, when you click on any one of these buttons, it automatically changes. Click on the source analyzer. You see that on the top it is appearing now as a source menu, not as a target menu. Hmm? Hmm. Click on that and see what is that happening there. Very good. So able to understand now how this is behaving. Hmm. Now, for example, if you want to create your own source and the target and tell the system, boss, this is my source and this is my target. I want to move the data from one place to another place. Hmm? Let us create two files, one as a source and another as a target. How will you do that? Go to your D drive or C drive in your this file. Yes, go there, go to C drive and create two folders as source and target. New create new folders. Give a name as source.
What about the source and target folder that is already there in this Shalini file?
Oh, it is already there. Huh? Then let it be there. Just create just source.
Done.
Hmm. And create one target.
Done, sir.
Double click on this source and create a text file, CSV file.
The name should be
text.csv.
what?
Text.csv. CSV file to create a CSV file. CSV should be small, I think.
Right.
Not like that. Not like that. Double click on this file. Double click. First of all, write the data. Employee number, employee name, salary, department number. ENPNO, comma, e-name, comma, salary, comma, department number. Press enter. No, not department number. It is department number, not name. DPTNO. Press enter. Now enter few details. Some 10 records you enter. One employee number 1, name, Shalini, salary 2000, like that. Department number 10. Only make it 10, 20, 30. 3 departments with 10 records.
Again, sir.
Very good. Now file save as emp.csv in double quotes. Put it in double quotes. emp.csv in double quotes. emp.csv, put it in double quotes. Click on save. Now close this. Very good. So now you came back. You have created a CSV file. Can you go to that folder once again? Source folder. When you go to the source folder once again, you see that EMP file is an Excel format. You can see that EMP file is in the Excel format, isn't it? That means if you double click on that, it will open in Excel file. If you double click on it, it will open in Excel. That is a CSV file, comma separated values. CSV means what? It is comma separated values. Close it now, not required. We are not interested in this. There is also a target folder which you have created. At present, the target folder is empty. At present, the target folder is empty. Am I right? At present, the target folder is empty. So we will try to create a file and push the data from the source into this target folder. A target file we will create. Okay, that's what our goal is. Minimize this window. Now we have to define. I have to tell Informatica, hey Informatica, understand, this is my file which is to be treated as a source. This we have to tell. So for that we will go to source analyzer. On the top there is a source menu. Go to the source menu. Source menu. Go there. Click on that. It should open. It's there, import from database, import from file. So we will import from file. We have not yet created any database. We are working on file. Show the path of the file where our EMP file is available. Go to this PC. Go to C drive. In that source folder, and in that below check file type. Click clear or select all files type. All files type. Yes. Select your EMP first file, EMP, and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will get a wizard which is of 3 steps. It is asking you whether it is delimited or fixed width. It is delimited, right? It is again asking you start importing from first row or any other row. You can first of all check that tick mark, check that box, import field names from first line, so that it will know that the first line is not the data, first line is our field names. So it starts importing the data from the second line. Next. Click on next. Here it is asking whether all the content is correct. What is a delimiter? Delimiter is comma or something else is there, right? Do we have any double quotes? All this thing it is asking. As of my knowledge, nothing is else now required. Okay, click on next. There it is giving you the field names. It is showing you what is employee number, what is employee name, what is salary, what is department number, all of them it is showing. If all of them are correct with their respective data types and the size, click on finish. You find that the source is designed for you. Source is available for you. You see under the Shalini, there is a source file, under the source folder in the repository, there is something which is available now, which was not there earlier. Just now you brought in. Expand that flat file also. Expand that flat file also, you will see there is an EMP file which you have created. Okay. The same thing as you are doing now, if you follow the videos, you will also learn the same thing. Okay. But I'm telling you right now, first example, remaining examples, you do it by yourself. Okay. This is a source. What Dipanshu 1 crore you are giving to me? Dipanshu,
Yes, sir.
why 1 crore?
Sir, it is my salary, sir.
I thought you are giving me per day.
No, sir. Shalini is writing the name and the salary that
Okay. I thought you are giving me 1 day 1 crore. Wow. I said, wow, very good.
right now I'm not able to give you, sir. You can give me.
Okay. I'll give you 1 crore wishes. Okay, go down. Now we have to plan for the target. Okay. So go to target designer. Go to target designer. Here nothing is defined. There is no target. This is the first time you are trying to create something, right? So as there is nothing defined, we will create from the scratch. Go to create. There is a create button on the create menu, create option below. Then the same there only in the targets menu, there is a create option. Very good. Click on create. Give a file name emptgt, emptgt. Very good. Select the database type. Make it as a text file. Flat file. Yes. Flat file. Very good. Click on create. Close. Done. Double click on this object which got appeared for you. Double click on that. Now you see there is a list. There is a list of tabs. One tab is columns. Click on columns. There is a small rectangle kind of a button on the top which is indicating that a new column can be added. Click on new. Yes, add a new column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times click it. Very good. Change the names as per your requirement, as it is there in your source. Employee number, employee name, salary, department number, and accordingly change the data types.
So it's not changing, I think. Now certain.
It's changing. Keep it in capital letters. It will be looking good. Got it?
Done, sir.
Click on OK. Very good. Now you have designed a target. We have just designed a target. We have not yet created. Now the job is that we have to map. We have to create a mapping. Source is decided. Target is decided. Now the chance is to map the data. Go to the mapping window. Not maplet. Mapping. Mapping designer. Go to mappings and create a new mapping. Make it file to file. EMP file to file. Click on OK. There's a mapping created. Okay. Now drag the source EMP to the mapping designer. Very good. You will see that there are two objects appearing for you. One is the source definition, another is a source qualifier. In Informatica, we may not require much to work with source definition, but we'll work with source qualifier. So minimize the source definition. Not required. If you can move them bit aside towards the left side, it would be better. No, not like that. Hold down that title color. Title, another color is there, no? Title, source qualifier where it is written. Move the definition also.
Sir, from where we have opened these objects?
Are you not following it? You share your screen, I will tell you. Shalini, let us wait. Let him share the screen.
Okay, sir.
Tasks only in the menu.
Here, no?
Oh, left side, workflows. In the menu option only. Workflows.
I'm in workflow design.
No, in the menu options
Oh,
where it is
okay,
task.
okay. Create.
Yes.
EM, like file to file. Okay. Then I have to go at task. Is it?
Yes.
Again, I have to go to
Creator. Click on task creator. Give a task name. Select the mapping. Click on OK. Select mapping. Click on OK. Drag it.
Now map it.
link.
Go to task link.
Now, what's the
Done.
anyone's? Yes, sir.
Double click on the task.
So this one.
That's a correct. Not there. Sorry. Here.
Here.
The task which you have created.
File to file. The file to file.
Yes. Double click on that. Go to mapping. Go to source qualifier. EMP. SQEMP. Scroll down slowly to the properties. Give the source file directory name here.
So what? File.
Give the path that you have where you have created that folder, source folder.
Go to your C drive and copy that path. This is target. Go to source. Copy the path of this.
What the hell is it doing? Just
Click there. Click there. Now you copy that path.
Easy dude.
Very good. The job of source is done. Now go to target. No. Done.
So that,
Source.
so this one I've done it.
Go to target EMP TGT. Ah, there again scroll down. Slowly. There is a header option. Change it to the names from the output file. Output file names. Yes. Scroll down. Wait. The output file directory. Paste the target folder path. Paste the target folder path. Remove that and give the target file name out emptgt1 it is written. Remove that one and remove that out and change it to CSV file. Remove that out to CSV. Very good. Apply. Okay. Save. Control S. Is Control S showing you valid message?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now you see what to do. Right click on that start icon which is written there. Start. Right click on that icon. Start workflow from the task.
It's failed.
Click on OK. That's not a problem. Go to monitor M. Click on OK. Click on the task view. Below you have Gantt chart view and task view. Click on the task view. Double click on Infa Int. Double click on Shalini. Double click on Shalini. Double click on EMP file to file. Double click on EMP file to file further. Very good. You see that both of them are successful. That means your
Yes.
file is successfully moved to the target. Go to this PC C drive. See in your target the file is available. Understood?
Yes.
Who has created this file? Informatica has created this